going on? As y'all can see by the thumbnail, we in the I just went to spray this little Nissan Rogue off. So it's got 157,000 miles or something. Yeah, 157. It's about to clock like 158. It only has like a tire pressure light on. No check engines. No check engine lights on. It's pretty clean. I picked it up off of ACB. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, sometimes I'm starting to buy so many cars, so I kind of be forgetting, what I spent on it. But I like when I'm making the video, like at the time of making the video, like when I go back and see about what I did. But I know we're about to go to my little favorite little church, Go to my little church, Go to my little church over here. Get y'all a full walk around, and then y'all let me know in the comment section below what I can sell it for. It's a 2009. I'm thinking anywhere, about 4 to 5. Probably maybe a little bit more, because this thing is really clean. Like it really just needs to be like swept out, like the dealership beforehand took. It came from a Toyota dealership, which it makes sense. If I'm looking for a Toyota, I'm not going to. If I'm looking for a Nissan, am I going to a Toyota dealership? Probably not. Probably not. Let me get to my little church. The sun's out. It was just raining like crazy yesterday. The sun's out, so when the sun's out, that's when the pictures gotta get taken. I don't like taking pictures when it's. I don't know. I just don't like taking pictures when it's like gloomy and like kind of like sad and gloomy outside. I don't know. That's just me. I want pictures taken at their best. I want the car taken at its best. Like that. Pull it up. Park. Hop out. As y'all can see, look at that, just looking so beautiful. I might taste. Looking so beautiful. I gotta get my pictures to sell it too. So, so it's good to get my pictures of me trying while I'm recording it. I get y'all all the good pictures. As y'all can see, got good rubber on the tires. Interior's clean. Interior's clean. It really just got like some little leaves and stuff. Like little bit of leaves, like like the door was left open or something like that. But that's just something I can sweep out. And then I gotta hang that back up too, right there, that little back panel. So that's the only thing I gotta do, just hang up that back panel, get a fresh oil change up on it. I like to freshen the oil. It's got heated seats. I like that picture better. I like that picture better. Yeah, I gotta get those angles. Shit, let me get another one. Down right there, that angle, like right there. No, I don't really like that one. Yeah. Like that one. Boom. This tire looks a little bit low. A little bit, not really. Does this hatch even open? I don't know why they. Okay. That's probably. Let me see something. Okay, so that's what I got. One thing I got to get fixed And then a picture like this, you know, this is a picture that my brother showed me. Take a picture like that, so it gives people a view of like how they gonna look in it. Right there, that view right there, that's that money view right there. I'm gonna go balance these tires, go work and try to get that hatch open. Other than that, can't really see anything. So they went into the Take 5 oil change, and it really don't take 5 minutes. Got the Bose surround system, got the sunroof, got little leaves up there too. Heated seats. Like I said, balance these tires, get this oil changed, and it's up there. Oh yeah, get the hatch fixed, and it's up there ready for sale. I'm thinking like 45, 5 grand, you know, somewhere in there. It's really clean, so it's like nothing they can really complain about. Especially once I get this little hatch part fixed. You know, if that part ain't fixed, then it's something they can complain about. But it's gotta be like, I don't know, because it'll act like it's not engaging, so it's gotta be, probably need some grease or something like that, or, you know, oil that little hatch or something. Can't think of anything. Oh, got the little garage door opener too. Garage door opener, heated seats, aux radio. Somebody broke, so I need some pliers to get that out. Be careful not to break it, so try to get that up out of there. But it's clean though. They still got the owner's menu in there. Yeah, still got the owner's menu in there. Make sure you gotta have the buyer's guide in the window. You know, have that buyer's guide in the window, because if you ain't got that buyer, you ain't got the buyer's guide in the window. It's only really if the cause like I sell my cars like a lot of times on like appointment only basis. So like my cars are behind the fence, but if you're having them outside of your fence and you're having them like out there like visible and stuff like that, that's not like that's on the lot and stuff. If you don't have that, it's a fine. If you don't have this in the car, if it's out like sitting out and you got it out front and the used car commission come and these ain't in the window, big fine. I think it's like 1,000. I think it's like 1,000 per car. I think it's like 1,000 or 10,000. I forget what crazy amount it is. I think it's like 1,000 per car, if I'm not mistaken. It could be 10,000, but I'm not 100% sure. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Let me know in the comment section below. What can I sell it for? Let me know if I bought it for a good price. Let me know what you would sell it for. I'm about to go get these tires balanced, go get this oil changed, and we about to get this car, send this car to another person, send it to a happy home. And appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm out. Peace.